Hello everybody, my name is Kay, otherwise known as Chansu Bromance on IG and Twitter. I also write as Exo1127_0112 on AsianFanfics.com. Hello everybody, I'm back with another unboxing video for you. So this time it's exoplanet number 2, the Exoluxion. I'm not exactly sure what the pictures will be, but I heard that this is a collector's item, so I immediately grabbed it when I saw it being sold at my local Shopee. So anyway, so this is the outbox. It's still quite in good condition while this is unsealed. However, okay, I don't know if there are any inclusions, probably not, so I will just expect this to be the photo book itself. Alright, so let's start browsing. Right, let me see. So I would assume this is around 2015. And okay, can you see? Alright. Oh, so this is a schedule of the Exolution. Oh, it actually overlapped in 2016. I didn't know that. So from March, Korea, and then wow, it spanned like for almost a year because it's a world tour, and wow, that must have been tiring. Okay, let's start. Alright, hopefully you guys can see everything. Alright, so there's a lot of concert venue shots as expected of concert photo books. Oh, I get it, because if you've watched my live album videos or unboxing rather, yeah, there's no Exolution dot insole, so maybe this is what they were experimenting with at the time. But yeah, anyway, let's move on. EXO on the show. So we have Kai. Ooh, oh my god. So we have Baekhyun, Dio, Chanyeol, and I'm not sure who this is. Okay, and Lay is here, so I'm very happy with this. Baekhyun. So I think this is an interview. Right? It's in Korean, so I won't be able to read it. Ah, Kai. Barefoot. Then I believe this is Chanyeol and Chen. And then we have Lay, and I don't know if this is Sound. Is it Sound? Ah, Sound. Dancing in the water. Then we have a Chanyeol interview. Alright. Ah, so handsome. Ah, Suho and Chen. Ah, they're singing my answer with Baekhyun on the piano. Hi, Shumin. Very cute. Chen, oh my god. Very handsome profile. So there's Q&A. Ooh. Lay, oh my god, so cute. We have Chanyeol. And then, yeah, them in the construction of some sort. All 9, OT9. Oh, Kai. Dio, oh my god. So Dio interior. Oh goodness. He's so cute. Or sexy. All of the above. Just my elves. My lovely elves. Lay. So cute. You had Chen and Dio. What are you doing? And then Chen again. So it has a different hairstyle here. So I guess these are like photos across the tour dates. Oh wow, Kai. So we have Kai Q&A. Woo! He's wet and sexy. Oh my god, Chanyo, be careful. So they're on the stairs. Baekhyun, Suho. Oh my god, my bias. My two biases. And then Sehun here. Leader name. Very cute. Lay Q&A. Ah, so handsome. Oh my goodness. Shumin. Ooh. What are you? Oh, it's a giant spoon. Shumin, Dio, and Kai. Then we have Sehun Q&A. His profile. Okay, and ooh. Oh, sorry, I skipped a page. So we have Baekhyun. Oh, they're on stage. Baekhyun again and Lay. Ooh. Then we have Suho Q&A. Nice. Exo'S. Shumi. Yo, wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So we have the Hyung Q&A. Shumin Hyung Q&A. Oh my god, I can't get over how handsome he is. Oh my god, can you see that? Oh my god, I can't. I have to move on. It's just wow. I'm shocked, Shumin. Okay, and then people making the show. So I guess they're going to interview the staff. And then yeah, so it's very similar to the other live albums interview, and yeah, so they also involve the crew and people just behind the scenes. So Lay has has shades. Oh my god, blonde Sehun. I believe this is Kai. So stage. Okay, so this is still people making the show. So again, a lot of performance shots here, performance photos. So yeah, interview for the video director. Then there's production. Right? Oh, very cute. And music. And I guess this is Chanyeol being a DJ. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, like that. Right, and then Fashion. Okay, so we have to talk about the outfits. Ah, nice. Oh no, very cute. Okay. Hi, Chen. Oh my god. These boys. Hi, Lei. Okay. Baekhyun, so adorable. Management. Oh, they're doing the, I guess, the initial rites before, you know, the concert. Planning. Oh, those effects behind the show. Okay, so I guess rehearsals and things like that. So this is, I think, Lei. Yeah, Lei. Hi, Beck. So backstage interview. Now we'll have to research on the English translation. Oh wow, Chen. Very boyfriend vibes here. Then we have Dio, still in luck. Then I'm not sure who this is. Okay, and Chanyeol. So cute. He's holding a lollipop while working on his laptop. So there's a Chanyeol backstage interview. Oh, that's it? Oh, okay, just one page. And then we have Baekhyun. And we have Chanberg. Blonde Chanyeol. Then we have a Chen backstage interview. Ooh, Sehun. And Suho. Oh, Dio. Dio, very cute. Dio backstage interview. Then we have Kai chilling. Then Dio, adorable with his glasses on. Kai, oh my god. Okay, Kai backstage interview. And Suho Chen. Oh, Lei backstage interview. So I have Sehun and Lei. Now Sehun backstage interview. Sehun, oh my god, Shu Chen, how adorable. I love this photo. They're so happy. And we have Suho backstage interview. Right. Oh wow, Shumin with his lightsaber type thing. Hi Suho. Ah, so cute. Oh, Shumin. Shumin's wrecking me in this photo book. My god. Okay, thank you from Exo. So we have Baekhyun. Every single moment I feel grateful. Oh, that's sweet. So this is like an epilogue. Chanyeol, I promise to do our best to be true to ourselves. Yes. That is the best way to live. Chen, be my best friend. Oh. Okay, and then it's actually getting harder to flip through at this point. Right, and then, oh my god, Kingsu's so sexy here. Maybe this was around the time he was filming Hyung, or My Annoying Brother. I see you, I feel you. Oh, Theo, Kai, I will always wait for you. Very sweet. Trust me, time will tell you everything. Oh, Lay. Hi, Lay. Then sound, please be with us forever. Aww. Yes. Exo'L, you are my favorite artist. As, you know, very sweet leader Nim would say. Jimin, trying our best is no longer enough. Now it's time for us to be the best. Yes, that is true. So we have OT9. And that is it with the credits. And that is it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this very short video. If you have further suggestions of what you would like me to unbox next, do comment them below and I'll see if I have them on hand so I can schedule them for you. If not, then I will do the photo books and the albums in chronological order. In the meantime, please stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!